Hello everyone, my name is Connor and this is another video for 1 Minute English. Today we're going to look at how to use have had with example sentences. Okay, so let's go. So have had is the present perfect tense, okay? So present perfect is have plus past participle. So have had is the present perfect form of the verb to have. So when we use the present perfect, we use have. I have seen something. But here we need to use the verb to have, and the past participle is had. So I have had. Okay, some examples. I have had this computer for 2 years. Okay, we use the present perfect here because I had this computer in the past and I continue to have it now in the present. That's when we use the present perfect. Okay, and we need to use the verb had or have when you possess something. I have this pen, is mine. Okay, so I've had this computer for 2 years. Let's try this one. I have had this chair for a long time. And this one, I have had this car for 50 years. This is a very old car. Okay, I hope that helps. Try to make some examples in the comments below and please subscribe. Talk to you soon.